Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We're out here today. We've got to plow our sugar cane. It's got to jump on us here. The weeds is in it real heavy. Not much we're going to be able to do, but we want to at least get the ground broke up a little bit around it and maybe help control the weeds some. We had to go back and dig all the cane baggage out of it because we got snows this year, something we don't hardly ever get. We got 2 of them in 1 year. And we covered the cane up with the cane baggage to try to preserve it and keep it from freezing the roots on it. And it looks like it did pretty good. Now this cane over here, it looks like it might have froze a lot of it. So we're going to plow it anyway, but we're just going to try to see if we can get some of these weeds tore up around it. And I know we'll probably have to stop and clean the plows out because there's just so much junk in the ground here. And we'll come back and take a bush hog and cut this up later once we get this plowed. But our main objective right now is get the ground kind of broke up because we don't like to just let our ground sit. We like to break it, get rid of the weeds, and disturb the soil a little bit. It seems to work good with sugar cane, so that's what we're going to try to do. So we're going to jump on the tractor and see if we can make that happen.
Okay guys, you can see here after just a few minutes of pulling the majority of the weeds, it's a lot easier. You have the sides reasonably clean. And Christopher, we're ready for you to come back, guy. Got a lot of sugar cane needs cleaning. Let's go to the next hill.
Alright guys, we've got the sugar cane all plowed now. We've got the rows all cleaned out in the middles. Now we may have to go back with a hoe or something and clean up the tops of the beds until the sugar cane gets tall enough to shade itself out. But guys, when you got as much as we have to do, the tractor is just the way to go. And proof is right here behind me. These Irish potatoes here, you literally do not see any weeds in the middles of my rows because we use a tractor and it keeps the rows clean. The potatoes are close enough together that they're actually shading out anything between the potatoes. And guys, we're good to go until harvest time here. And at harvest time, there may be a few weeds pop up, but by that time, when we dig all the potatoes up, we'll just run a disc over it, clean it up real good, put the cultivators and the planters back on there, and we'll be ready to go again. That's why we advocate using a tractor on larger pieces of property in order to get massive food production so that you don't have to starve and go hungry. So I hope y'all have enjoyed watching us use the tractor today and taking care of our sugar cane and talking a little bit about our Irish potatoes. So thank you from Deep South Homestead.